Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to edit images on Midjourney. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this one's the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official midjourney.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the official Midjourney page. So to get started with using Midjourney, what we have to do is go ahead and open up this option right here which says join the beta. After clicking join the beta guys, now this will open up our Discord application and bring us to the channel. So we have to go ahead and log into the channel. After accessing the channel guys, you can go ahead and confirm you have read the terms of service and that you will not break the rules, and then you can get started with using Midjourney. So guys, if you do not have a premium account, you can use the newbie support room right here and you cannot work in private. But guys, if you do not have a premium account, you have not subscribed to Midjourney, then you will not be able to edit your images. But if you did, then what you can do is go ahead and click the plus button right here. You can use apps option and you can add images. You will have the option to go ahead and add an image. I currently do not because I do not have a premium account. So what you can do is go ahead and add an image and then type /imagine and type what you want to edit. Add a Pokemon to the image. So after doing that, go ahead and click on enter and it will enter the prompt and you will be able to edit the image that you have sent in, and it will add a Pokemon to the image or something similar that you want to do. But yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.